How to celebrate World Quality Month 2015 in your school. My name is Andre Lim. I am the director for Lanka Institute of Quality Management. Welcome. Celebrating the World Quality Month 2015 will entail using the theme Commitment to Quality for Prosperity of Our Nation. Some of you might wonder that we are repeating the same thing last year. The theme is repeated several years so that the message can be well cultivated. We do not think that within a year, such a big theme could be fully appreciated by everyone. I would like to show you how some schools celebrated World Quality Month in 2014. In this school, students are singing the TQE theme song, which was specially composed for the event. Here you can see all the students and teachers were involved. A sample of poster competition. Students walk past to appreciate the work of the competitors. These pictures show some of the many other activities this school has embarked on in this World Quality Day Month celebration. Here we can see students. They are waiting to participate in various events dressed in colorful costumes. There was a Quality Month procession, a very active chief facilitator giving awards and prizes, and students participating in the launching of the World Quality Month. In this school, there is also an interesting video which you can download and at this link here. In this skit, students will act out a quality story, and it was humorous. In this school here, students actively participated in poster competition. The standards of the painting and graphics were of high quality. Certificates were printed and given out for participation as well as for winning the competition. Here we can see students are appreciating the work of their fellow students. Interesting to see our lead trainer, and she is giving a talk here as a VIP. The principal is here. And this is the chief facilitator who have done so much work. The school not only invited the teachers to participate, but also parents were asked to come to the World Quality Month celebration. In this school here, teachers and students are involved, and this is a sample of the awareness program which they have done as part of the World Quality Month celebration. You can see here they have two guest speakers. The principal here being trained is very active and committed. We thank you for your work. Well done indeed. Some schools kept it simple, and on the day itself, the day of celebration, which was chosen by the school, children participated actively. In this case, a drawing competition. Beautiful work. This school have it in a big way. Here you can see they have done extremely good work with the poster competition. Lots of prizes to appreciate the work. Principal and coordinators hard at work here. In this school here, chief facilitator is a very active person here. We well appreciate his very good work. One of the very active school in TQE. Here the children are doing a skit here. And they have a wonderful quality parade. And you can see the children behind are dressed up. And there are many slides for me to show you. So please do go to the SLAQ Facebook to look at more pictures. So at all levels, the children are participating. They have a poster competition as well. Lovely work. Thank you. So for 2015, here is a list of things to prepare. You will receive this presentation in your in the message that we will be sending to you, so you can look at it in detail. This is just an example what you should do. I thought that I should give you a checklist to help you. You would want to have a banner, so do email to SLAQ. This is the email address for the banner artwork to be forwarded to you. Please heed this instruction. Guest of honor invitation. You would want to invite somebody important, perhaps some MOE, perhaps one of the parents who hold a high position, industrial leaders nearby your school and in your province to give talks. Then you would want to develop certain rules and regulations for the competitions that you would like to have your students engaged in. Here is an example for rules and regulations for poster competition. Example, poster size, the number of submission that a student may send in, and here are some of the other little rules that you can adopt. This is an example of a judging criteria which you also may want to adopt: content, appeal, visual effectiveness, organization, and originality. For slogan competitions, you should also develop rules and regulations, such as this example here. Judging criteria for slogan competition can be made very easy, like this here. You should also try to give advice to participants. For example, good language, spelling, punctuation, grammar, etc. Is necessary to be checked carefully, making it brief, memorable, and convey the message. Do not use slang. Remember that it's not just you and your friends are the ones reading the slogan, but parents, teachers, principals, and younger students will be reading it also. So give the right tone of message to all. These little things will help the children think carefully about how they are judged with their work. Here's 5S judging. Some schools may want to include 5S. If you have not done this last year, and you have only done the art competition, slogan competition, and poster competition, you might want to do 5S this year here to spruce up your school. 5S is part of standardization. We would like to have more participation in TQE project presentation. Last year may have been a little bit rushed, but this year we hope that all the schools will have TQE project presentation at school level. here are how we will access the students by grades. From grade 1 to 2, no evaluation, just presentation. From grade 5 to 13, there will be different levels of criteria. If you want to know more about these criteria, please write to us, write to this SLAQ, and you will receive these forms. Please note that you should have some training before you do your judging for TQE presentation. This is not an easy thing to do. So please do attend the online TQE judging course, which will be certifiable. You will receive a certificate for passing the exams. Order prizes for employees or for your students who have performed outstanding services. For example, in the school, you may have a canteen operator who took pride in making sure that the food is nourishing and clean, and you would want to give the canteen operator this. Get the other peoples involved in the school to be recognized as well. Those that clean the toilets, those that sweep the floor, those that paint the school, the maintenance people to make sure that who have made sure that the electrical items are in good running conditions. Find a sponsor for refreshment. I showed this slide last year. We have lots of food here and tea served in glass cups. But the situation in reality is not like this. It's more like this: packet drinks, cake, and curry puff. Here's an example of scheduled activities to help you plan your activities till World Quality Month Day. In June, please do this month here, appoint facilitator to oversee the school activities, prepare the school program, and disseminate the program to all teachers and classes. June to October, school TQE projects. Get yourself organized, form TQE teams, and get them to start their projects. In August, perhaps you want to organize the school poster competition. In September, the slogan competition. So you would have something the whole year round. In October, this will be the deadline for the National TQE project submission. This year, we will have an online TQE project competition. So do submit your projects. We will send you more details. Okay, in November, you can choose any day during this quality month period. You can do your quality month activities by week. For example, first week, communication, talks, lectures, videos on quality. Week 2, have a quality parade. Week 3, TQE project competition convention. Week 4, World Quality Day celebration. You choose a day. Now, World Quality Month is in November, as promulgated by the United Nations in 1990. Why November? It is because it was noticed by Juran and Deming that the Japanese celebrated their quality control circles celebrations and using November month as a quality month. And because of that, the West has adopted this Japanese observation of celebration. However, because it may be difficult since it is exams in November, we are suggesting that it can be any day, any week, or a month between September to December. And why towards the end of the year? Because it is a good time to celebrate a year of successes in TQE. So make it a happy and a memorable one. You can choose the month. We are suggesting November because this is what the industry will be doing. This is an example of program for Quality Month celebration. You can have an outdoor section for activities. like parade, quality walk, other kind of presentations like your 5S and so on. Indoor, then you choose a day to have all of these as a program as I've shown you. Well, best wishes to you then in your preparation. Have a wonderful Quality Month 2015 celebration.